Hi, this is Shirkendra. Welcome to the Gentle Wellness Space, your at-home yoga setup. Thank you so much for joining me today, and also thank yourself for taking some time out for you. I invite you to this tutorial on how to create space in your home that feels like your own sanctuary. It really helps to designate a certain area within your home and letting the lovely people who live with you know that when the door is closed, it's me time. This is my office where I do my relaxation practices, where I need some me time, and this is also where I feel more at peace. I also prefer to set the mood or set the tone while I'm relaxing in my office. I do have a tea light candle that helps me put my mind at ease, and I also like to dim the lights as well. I also love to play soft, calming music in the background while I'm doing some mini breath exercises to calm my nervous system and to relax my mind. I also use this white sage clearing spray. I love to spray this around my mat before I get started. It clears away any negativity or any negative thoughts I might be having, and it allows me to embrace more positive energy and more joyous and happy thoughts. I also use my yoga bolster for more restorative yoga poses. I also have my yoga pillow that I use for meditation from time to time. I also lay down on this when I'm feeling a little tension or stress in my back. This is a great cushion. Foam roller to relax my muscles. I also use my yoga blocks for modification poses and to help me stay within alignment. This is another one of my favorites that I use. This is my eye pillow. It's a lavender eye pillow. It has the smell of lavender. When I lay down, I just rest this either on my forehead or on my eyes. It's very cooling and gentle. You don't necessarily have to have all the fancy yoga equipment. You can keep it simple. You can find your favorite blanket in your home, your favorite cushion, whatever you'd like to curl up with to make you feel relaxed and peaceful, something that would be your own personal quiet time. And self-care is so essential to our overall health. Even if it's a couple minutes a day, when you get up in the morning or right before you go to bed, please take that extra time out for yourself. You deserve it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to check out my latest video, my 5-minute guided meditation, where I use a chair, a pillow, a blanket for rest and recovery. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed day.